Hello everyone, welcome to Catalyst Chemistry. As we discussed last class, discovery of an electron, proton and neutron completed. Today I am going to discuss the most important part, that is what atomic models. Okay, in that what Thomson model we are going to discuss. Atomic model means what? In an atom the arrangement of electron, protons and neutron and nucleus, that is most important. Here is present electron and where is present neutron, and next one is what? Proton in a nucleus. That point we are going to study. Okay, that's why they gave what title is what atomic model. In this case what the arrangement of subatomic particles we are going to study. In that particularly what Thomson, okay, in this case J.J. Thomson, okay, Thomson model of an atom, another name is what? That is Plum-Pudding. Another name is what? That is a Plum-Pudding model. Just here Plum-Pudding model means as like a watermelon, as like a watermelon. All of you know very well about this watermelon. Watermelon having a what? Some of the seeds. Okay, like this you are going to get a what? When you are going to cut the watermelon, you are going to see the water seeds like this. Okay, that's why they gave a name is what? Plum-Pudding model. Just here in this case, this outer sphere is there. No, the outer sphere called positive sphere. This one is indicate what? Positive sphere, same as like a watermelon. Next, inside seeds are there. No, those seeds are called what? Electron. Okay, that is most important. Outer sphere is there. No, that is indicate positive sphere, and inside is what? That is containing what? Electron. In this case 2 points are there. First point is electrons are distributed randomly. You know about that the seeds in watermelon, seeds also distributed in what? Randomly. Electrons are distributed randomly, okay, throughout the atom. If you are going to consider watermelon, means in that case you are going to get a seeds distributed in a randomly everywhere. Okay. Next one is what important? Net negative charge on electron is equal to positive charge on rest of the atom. Okay, that is important. How many negative charge are there? Okay, the remaining thing is what? Positive charge. Both are what? Almost equal in nature. Okay, that is important. Okay, these 2 points are what important, bear in mind. That's why they called as a Plum-Pudding model. In this case, what is the drawback? What is the drawback of Plum-Pudding model? Listen here. In this case, important means electrons are not stationary. In this case, stationary means electrons is always start rotating. Electron not present in a only one place. That's why the electrons are not stationary. Means electron is always moment. Okay. Whole atom is not a solid. If you are going to consider this whole atom is not a solid, most of the part is vacant. Just here in this case this part is vacant is there, here is vacant is there, here is vacant. Okay, that's why the most part of the water vacant. You know very well about that watermelon, in all the seeds are distributed in randomly, but in not all the places there is a what? Empty space is there. Okay. Next one is positive charge is concentrated on nucleus only. Okay, the positive charge if you are going to consider nucleus, that time only what? That in that case only you are going to get a what? Positive charge. So, okay friends, up to this is indicate what? Thomson model. The next model we are going to study, that is called Rutherford model. If you want, you can take a screenshot for notes purpose. Okay. Okay friends, the next model, Thomson model is completed. The next model is what? Rutherford's nuclear model. The Rutherford nuclear model of an atom. The another name is what? Alpha scattering experiment. Just here, in this case, Rutherford is going to consider on a gold sphere. Okay, gold element will come in a D block elements. In this case, he is going to consider what? Radium gun. Okay, another diagram is there, that is radium gun he is going to use. Okay, that is act as a what? Helium nucleus, means what? Alpha particle as like after that he is going to put a one what? Straight gold point. Next he is going to pass a radium, radium gun. In that case some of the rays are passed through that gold foil. Okay, some in this case what? Only one it will come back. Okay, out of 20,000 only one it will come back. Okay, that is what that is one point is there, but don't worry about that one, that is going to slight complicated, but this diagram is very understanding. That's why I choose this one. Okay, just here in this case this one is what? Gold sphere. Next after that he is going to pass a alpha particle. Alpha particle means he is going to consider as like a radium gun. Okay, just here in this case what happened? he is going to pass alpha particle from here. Just here I am going to pass in this case like this. Okay, in this case what happened, the alpha particle pass in a straight line. First point, these are what alpha particle, he is going to use a source here. Okay, radium gun, what I told right now only. Okay, next after that he is going to pass here one more alpha particle. This alpha particle also passed very clearly in a straight, no problem. Next he is going to pass a second, means what, that is called near to this point. Okay, he is don't know actually at the center positive charge is there, that's just I am going to remove this. Rutherford also actually don't know this gold sphere having a positive charge at inside. After that he will come to conclusion, that's why I am going to remove this one. Okay, next after that he is going to pass in this case. In this case what happened, the slightly this alpha ray is going to bend like this, slightly is going to bend like this. Next after that he is going to pass at the bottom side. In this case also what happened, the alpha ray is going to what, bend like this. He come to slightly conclusion at the center 100% water positive charge is there. Okay, he is going to pass the alpha rays at the center. This rays will come back at 180 degree. 180 degree. That's why in this case what he thought, that at the center nucleus is there. At the center nucleus is there, the surrounding space is what, totally vacant, empty space is there. He come to conclusion. Okay, that's why this diagram is a very understanding. Another diagram he is going to use a what, a gold sphere like this straight. Okay, in this case what, slightly confusion for what student, that's why this diagram is a very understanding. Okay, that he is going to use this experiment. All these are indicate what, alpha rays. Alpha rays means you know very well about that. Alpha rays means that is containing 2 positive charge. Helium atomic number 2 is there, mass number 4 is there. He is going to write helium plus positively charged helium nucleus. Okay, this is what important Rutherford model. Okay, bear in mind important, they are going to ask you what, explain such kind of questions. Okay, but you know very well this concept easily. Okay, just here next some of the points are there in this case. The most of the part is a vacant. Just here in this case, here is also vacant is there, here is also vacant is there. That's why most of the part is what, vacant. At the center only the positive charge is present. That's why the alpha ray, what is the charge? This is also helium. Okay, helium means positive charge. Here is what, positive charge. In this case positive what, obviously repel each other. That's why it will come exact what, 180 degree. That is most important. Okay, next one is what, there must be some positive charge in an atom. Okay, Rutherford come to conclusion, there must be a positive charge. That positive charge is a nucleus. Rutherford also actually don't know. That is most important point. Okay, that's why there must be some positive charge in it. Positive charge sphere is a very small. It was named as a nucleus. Okay, after that what, the positive charge is a sphere is what, very small is there. Very small is there. That's why in this case majority portion is what, empty. That is most important point. Next in this case the important point is what, this is a very small. Next this is a gold sphere is having a what, very large. Out of these two, this gold sphere is having a very large, the value is approximately 10 to the power of minus 10. But this is having a what, 10 to the power of minus 15. Compared to 10 to the power of minus 10 and minus 15, which is a larger? 10 to the power of minus 10 is a larger. 10 to the power of minus 15 is what, smaller. Always remember one point in this case, this positive charge value is always less compared to what, this outer sphere. That's why after that what, one formula is there, the volume of a sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube he is going to use. Finally in this case what, we are going to get a final conclusion. In this case important is what, this positive charge is having a very less value compared to this outer sphere. Okay, means compared to what, this outer sphere. That is what conclusion in this case what, Rutherford model of an atom. Bear in mind important, this helium is indicate what, positive charge. Alpha particle they call. Next beta particle means what, electrons. Bear in mind next one is what, gamma particle is there. Alpha beta, next one is what, important, that is indicate what, gamma particle, that is indicate what, photon. Okay, that is indicate photon. Okay friends, bear in mind these 3 points are most important. Alpha particle means try to understand helium nucleus, beta particle means what, electron, gamma means what, that is a photon. Up to this what, Thomson model and Rutherford model completed. Okay, next point we will study next video. Okay friends, thank you.